In this episode we are going to mount a very special update for me, the Spider rear set. Let's check out what's in the box. The manual. And the sticker. So I unboxed the Spider rear set. Very nice looking with the logo, very nice and clean. So let's put it on the bike. So first let's remove the old ones. Now it's easier because this is going down and now you can easily remove this one. It's good that I eat my sandwiches because my mommy told me always to eat the whole sandwich. Hold on, because you don't want to scratch the fresh painted standard. And then mount the new ones. I'm curious about the weights. Maybe we are doing a check of weight because I think the Spider ones are more lightweight and I definitely need a glove because I'm dirty. So the gloves are on. Let's do the other side. It's tight. Yeah. Sometimes it's easier by hand and quicker. This one. And the last one. Almost there. Yes. Done. So now mount the new ones. Now have a look at the manual, how it's supposed to be on the bike. It's something like this on one side and this on the other side, if I'm correct. So now let's put it on the bike. So a little screw lock on the bolt. I did it as well with this one. So that part is done. We have only one part left to mount. For my track bike I'm using reverse shifting. It's also possible to have the street gear. You have the longer because you have to turn the other way around. So the final last part to mount the rear shift together. It's a beautiful logo. Looks so clean. And I have to mount the little rubber to protect your foot pedal. And now I need a little help from the man. It's time to do the other side. I checked in the manual how it's put together. So, like this. Like this. So now the next step. The final part we have to mount is the spring for the braking pump, but for that I need some help. So it's finished. With a little help, it's all mounted. So let's go for the track. I'm very happy with this rear set. Why? It's because it's fully adjustable. You can put it in the front, in the middle, back, low. This part you can adjust. I'm very tiny, so as you know, and when I'm on my race bike on the track with the original rear set, I had problems with hanging off the bike and my foot was coming loose off the pedal. So I'm very happy that Spider made this set for the Panigale V2S 2025. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!